What's going on, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how anyone can turn $1 into $1,000 online with an AI agent and using X. Now, if you're brand new and you've never made a dollar online before or don't know anything about AI or X, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to get started to earn your first dollar, and then I'm going to show you how you can flip that into making more money by using the checklist and the same AI agent that I use. This is the VIP checklist, the digital playbook, which you'll be able to get access to. This is a step-by-step of how you can start earning money online. I give you tutorials right over here. Also, you have access to short form prompts that I use for when I create my short forms for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. You'll get a list of 130 plus AI tools so you're able to get paid to promote. You also get a list of done for you short form videos that are already pre-made. I think that turns out it's about 700 videos. You'll get access to 3 make blueprints or sequences that I have built out and have tutorials on here as well. And then you'll get just a library of extra resources that I have, and then some Fiverr gigs that I've used in the past. Now, to get access to this checklist, all you would have to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com and put in your information, really just your first name and email, and you get taken to this page right here where you'll be able to get access to our group, where not only do you have access to the digital playbook, but also some members only videos, chat where you have direct access to me, and then you'll be able to keep updated with all the latest and greatest tools and tricks of how to make money online with AI. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Once you get a digital playbook, the first thing that you should go ahead and do is just go to AI tools and then click right here to get this tool called X Reacher. Like it says right here, it allows you to automate your X or Twitter outreach with 50 free DMs every day. Now, going in here, this is what X Reacher will look like. Right now, I'm on one of the free accounts right here where just allows you to send 50 DMs a day. Now, we go in here, this is the unit box. So let's say in one of my other accounts, I have 2 paid accounts going. So with each paid account, you're allowed to send 450 DMs a day, which is amazing. So let's go with leads. So what you're going to need to do is just hit add new leads and then scrape new leads. So on the free account right here, you're only allowed to click on usernames that have less than 3,000 followers. He doesn't have less than 3,000 followers, but I'm just going to do this to show you what everything looks like. Go in here, we would hit add, and then once you, so you would just need 3,000, an account with 3,000 followers or less, and then it would just add it right here. Now, with the paid account, it's so much better because you could put someone like Alex Hormozy or someone with like, I don't know, 25,000 followers, and then you're able to get even more. So for me, I would be reaching out to some CEOs and founders. Sometimes I'll click down here. That just means that normally people with external links are like real and they're kind of promoting something, or they have a website in their bio. So that makes it an even higher percentage that you could potentially get a response from someone. And then all you would do is hit start scraping, and then you would get an email, or you would just watch out for whenever everything is done, and then you would have your scraped leads right here. And then next thing you would need to do is just go over to the campaigns function and then create yourself a campaign. You can see I've done a little bit of testing right over here, and I'm actually just started one right here with my free account. But let's say that you want to start a brand new campaign with the leads that you just scraped. You would just hit start new, enter the campaign name, doesn't matter, continue. You would pick the one or pick the leads that you just scraped. Let's go with website leads. I don't know why it's not letting me. I think it's because I've already used these. Add new leads. Yeah, so I've already scraped and sent with that, so that's not going to let me do that. But let me just go ahead and show you. Yeah, I've already sent messages with all these. So after you would do that, then it would take you to this section where you would just get to pick your messages that you would want the bot or the X Reacher to send out. And then options would just be how many accounts that you would want to pick. If you're just getting the free trial, you would just have one account. and then you would hit start sending, and then it would take you to this screen right here. None of these are available because you are on the free plan, but the paid plan does allow you to see the progress, the reply rate, and all that kind of good stuff. And then this is the Unibox. So you can see the messages that's sending out, different ones. But no matter what you're selling, your product is, this tool has helped me a lot just to get in front of people, because no matter what your business or service is, you need attention. DMs, getting into someone's inbox is one of the best ways. So if you want to get this tool, it's just, link is going to be in the description below. You can go to digitalplaybook.com if you want to get access to the Digital Playbook group, as well as get access to the checklist, which I covered earlier in this video. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.